Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, but nice to see you. Thank you so much for the new subscribers showing me some love. I appreciate you guys. So today I'm going to go straight to the point. I want to talk about stupid ways Kenyans are losing money, their hard-earned money, through various like crazy stuff that people are trying to convince people on how to make more money without any clear path of investment or any strategy. People are losing money in very stupid ways in Kenya, and I don't know why people don't learn. But all these desi pyramid schemes, they're all over the place. The bitcoins, the what, there's truly good value in the cryptocurrencies right now. But if you don't understand anything about the cryptocurrencies, please stop investing your money. Don't let anyone come from, I don't know, Congo, in the streets of Nairobi and tell you how they can multiply your money overnight or after 2 days or a month. Investing in cryptocurrencies is, if you don't understand it, please do not go for it. Just check out my videos on how to invest your money in the stock exchange, in a Nairobi Stock Exchange. Like, it's so simple, it's also easy. I'll link down a video below on how you can invest your money and get a return. It is not quick money, it is a slow progress. People have made millions with that. Here in the US, people are making so much money with the stock exchange, and it is very, very valuable. So you don't have to like rely on someone to come and convince you about Bitcoin or other currencies like the Dogecoin, where right now it has plunged like more than 50%. Indeed, it's true. Some of the financial institutions are actually not using, but they're thinking of it, but they're not sure. Right now, the Bank of England governor has already said cryptocurrencies, people just wait for to lose their money. Okay, so they're not ready to embrace it because they don't know how to tame the growth, and people can just become rich out of nowhere. Okay, so the second thing I'm gonna talk about is this attitude of pastors in Kenya. They're telling you, just bring your money, I'll pray for your money for it to double. Dude, please don't do that. Some of these rich, not even rich, hungry pastors in Kenya, we all know religion is the opium of the people. They just convince you on what, they will pray for your money and it will double overnight and this and that. I mean, that is crazy, stupid shit. Okay, do not do that. Don't. Why would you take your money to a pastor in the church to pray for it? If you can pray to your God to double your money, so be it. Don't take it to pastors. Why? I'm seeing mushrooming churches in Kenya and people are thriving. If you notice, some of the big churches are very rich people. They have a rich following. Why, if you think your pastor will pray for your money, why don't they pray for the sick people in the streets and do a miracle and heal them from, for example, the disability some of them have, or all these crazy things people have in the street? Why don't they go to the street to pray for them? But you're taking your hard-earned money. And the way Kenya, we're getting high taxes right now. Manze, Uhuru, do something. There's too much taxation in our country. The inflation is so high. People are not earning money. People don't have any money in their pocket. And yet you want to take money to your pastor to pray for it. Please, don't do that. It's not practical. It is not. Go pray. Go pray for yourself. Pray for yourself and tell your God, I need this money to double tomorrow or what. See whether it can happen. If it happens, please come and tell us it has happened. Okay, the third thing that people are losing money in the most stupid ways is a foreigner. You meet a foreigner in the streets. Oh, hi, I'm from the US. Hi, I'm from Congo. Do you want gold? I have someone I can refer you to so that you can buy gold from them. And especially this habit Kenyans have, there's gold in Congo. Yes, there is, but it's not just the regular person. If really they were genuine investors or genuine people who are trying to make you invest in gold, they will not be on the streets of Nairobi. Aki watu wacheni, stop it. Don't be fooled by people on the street telling you you'll buy gold, I don't know, diamonds in Tanzania or where It's not possible. You're going to lose your money. Do not do that. In this channel, I just teach you the slow but steady secret ways on how to invest your money in the stock exchange in Kenya and international markets. It's been done, it's doable, and that's why an international market like the US, the retirement community, the retirement packages are usually tied to the stock market, like buying index funds and buying different companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all these companies that are going up in value, and they pay dividends, and that's how they earn passive income. Okay, so the number 4, the other thing is also to, you've met these people who are trying to tell you, hey, I'm a forex trader. You will see them in my comments. They will come and tell you, oh, I can trade for you for this much, just pay me this much. I know how to trade, I know how to do forex. It's doable. People are doing. I know of someone like old Mzee who has been doing forex trading for the last, I don't know, 20 years. That guy is fine, he is balling. But someone just to tell you, I will train you, I will trade your money, I will use your money to trade and then give you 20%. No, please. Okay, hey, I was interrupted. So anyone telling you they want to trade your money and they want to trade for you using the forex trading or something, unless they tell you they want to train you and show you how to do it, please do not give your money to some forex trader or whoever. Especially if you don't know them, they're on the internet. In Kenya, you have to learn how to trade. Everything is on YouTube. I mean, YouTube we call it YouTube University for a reason. It is called YouTube University for a reason. All information is online. If you want to know how to trade forex, just go online. It's as simple as ABCD. You just identify the different currencies that we have, and then look for how the market is fluctuating. You follow the trend and you're able to make your kill. If a dollar today is 100 bob, tomorrow it's going to be 105. How much do you earn? 5 shillings. Remember, there's also taxes the Kenyan government also takes out from any kind of these online transactions, and right now they've introduced a very hefty digital taxation policy. I saw Caroline Montoko talking about it. So you have to learn yourself. If you don't have the patience, the discipline to actually teach yourself, and even not to teach yourself, for someone to teach you, please do not go into all these crazy things that you don't want to, like, you don't even understand. So my biggest advice would be, just check out my videos, also other videos on the YouTube on how to invest in the Nairobi Stock Exchange your money. A company like Safaricom has always been there, Centum, EABL, all these companies in their stocks, they started from zero. Some of them right now they're 50, others are actually 200, 300, 400, and others pay dividends every year. Dividends, we will talk about dividends in other videos, so make sure you subscribe. And so much for the love, and I hope to see you next time. So bye bye. Make sure you don't lose your money through very stupid ways and you think you're doing fine. No, please don't lose your money. You've worked so hard for your money, so do not lose your money. And make sure you come back and check other videos on how to invest, on how mutual funds work, on how index funds work, on how ETFs funds, how you can invest in the real estate without owning any properties in Kenya. So come back, subscribe.